friends, we are here again. Today we are going to make a delicious vegetable sauce. So you can use it to eat rice or plantain or yam or anything of your choice. So come with me and let's do it together. Here are the things we are going to use. I have salt, I have fish. So I'm going to use this seasoner to season the fish. I have curry and I have thyme. I have mushroom, tomatoes, hot pepper, eggplant, and 2 large onions. Oil. I have black pepper, 1 Maggi. I have spinach. So this is the yam we are going to use to eat it. Let's get started. Wash the eggplant. Slice it. Now rub oil on them. Then put it in the oven. (200°) up and down, then cover. Season the fish. And mix well. Add oil in the pan. Just a little. Then add your fish. Cut the tomatoes just like this. Then I wash and put it in hot water. Put it in hot water. Slice the onion. Add the onion in the fish. Allow it to steam. Then I will go ahead and slice my mushroom. So our tomatoes is okay. Our tomatoes is done. You can see the back is removing on its own. So after it's cooked, just use your hand to remove the back of the tomatoes and slice. Slice the mushroom. are done slicing the mushroom. Remove the tomatoes back and slice. Slice the hot pepper. I'm just turning our fish. Add the mushroom. Have your thyme, have curry, add salt, add your Maggi, allow it to steam for 5 minutes. Add the spinach in hot water. Just for a minute. Add the tomatoes and the hot pepper. Remove the back of the eggplant. Or it's easier this way. Yeah. Slice into smaller pieces. Slice the spinach. Add the spinach. Then we have our eggplant. Then mix well. Add a little black pepper. Our sauce is ready. You can see our sauce is ready. Thank you for watching. Please do me a favor, subscribe to my channel and watch out for the next video. Bye.